Oh my gosh, so I never realized this before, but the first picnic table here at the Brooktrails park course is wheelchair accessible. Look at that, it's got the seating place where you can wheel up to the either. It almost looks like you could put two wheelchair people, one on either side, but it would be a little bit squishy. And then it's got the rest of the picnic table, and it's the most private one. Look at the surrounding trees. It's so pretty. We're here at about, I don't know, 9:30 in the morning on a Tuesday, but look, it's paved all the way to the road. And then, well, if you could, okay, the gate over there is not always open, but it's open a lot of the time, and I don't think it's always locked, like you couldn't swing it open to drive somebody down here if you really needed to. But you could also work a wheelchair down here. We've done more for my mother-in-law. But anyways, I never noticed that before. I never noticed that that was wheelchair accessible. That's a really nice feature. See, with my eyes, I can see my van really well from here, but I cannot with the video. Let's see. Okay, that's my van. My best guess is this is like 7 or 8 car lengths from where the gate is. And you could really drive somebody right up there. It'd be so nice. But anyways, how cool is that? A little secret wheelchair accessible picnic table right here in Brooktrails.